Hi, I'm Jara, and today I will be showing you how I cut my own fringe. So, if you think I'm fearless and you want to join me, come! So, I tie up my hair first with a rubber band, and I use clips to clip away the sides of my hair so that it doesn't get in the way. Okay. So because I already have an existing fringe, I don't need to repart my hair, but if you don't have a fringe and you would like to have one, so how you part your hair is to look for the highest point on your head or a little bit lower around the crown area here, and then start to form a triangle diagonally down towards your eyebrows. So make sure that both sides are balanced as much as you can, and if you find that your fringe is too little or too much, you can adjust the triangle accordingly. So if you find that you want a lesser fringe, go a little bit lower so you have less hair, and if you want a heavier fringe, go a little bit higher. So for me, I prefer a heavier fringe. I will actually part it higher and angle my triangle down like that. So you can see it's a triangle. So after that, use a comb out the fringe, and then use a little clip to clip out the first section of hair you want to start cutting. So I section out this much and clip up the rest. So use the comb and comb it again. So this is how I start with my first section. Roughly, the line doesn't have to be super straight. So whenever you want to cut your hair, get a very sharp scissors. This one is a salon grade scissors, but you can get any scissors that is only meant for cutting hair with a pointy edge at the top. Okay. So usually I like a very short fringe because I like the dorky, nerdy look, and I'm going to start trimming the first layer to determine how short I want. Usually I want it above my brows, and visually you kind of have to see where you want your fringe to be. Roughly estimate how much you need to cut off. Like for mine, it's around 1 cm. So I use my fingers as a ruler. I clip it tight, and I angle my scissors and start cutting the hair off. Be really careful because you do not want to cut your finger in the process. Okay. So you can see that my hairline is a little bit uneven and the fringe is flipping outwards compared to this side. But doesn't matter, later it will even out by itself. Just going to cut around 1 cm off. So I'm done with the first layer. I'm going to start with the second layer. I'm going to put a little bit more down. Comb it. And your reference line will be the fringe that has been cut from the first layer. So just this small bit. You can see it more clearly when it's in real life compared to video. To finish up, next, the last layer. So you may find that the last layer has lesser hair, but it's okay, just follow what you did for the first two and cut off what is the extra coming over the reference line. So I'm done, and you can see it's really dorky looking, but I love it. And I just have to touch up any areas that look uneven. But when I press it down like that, it's kind of quite equal. And I texturize by doing it vertically, just to remove any heaviness from the fringe. But it's okay if you don't, because if you're not sure how to do it, you're going to give yourself holes. So I'm going to let go the rest of the hair and have a look at my new fringe. So much hair. Okay. So I'm done cutting my own fringe, and the reason why I do it myself is because I was trained to do so. But if you really want to try it yourself, I would say why not? Because what's the worst that can happen? Anyway, your hair will grow out in no time, right? But what's the best thing that can happen is you get to save money because the fringe grows out so fast. Maybe less than 1 month you have to go to the salon. Especially now, some of us may not be able to step out of the house, but the hair keeps growing, and you can actually do this yourself at home if you feel up to it. Anything worth trying once is worth trying, and well, who knows, you may get pleasantly surprised that you're actually talented to do it. See you next time, and good luck!